Hi friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. My name is Balaji. Today I am going to explain you guys about the Lambda function in Python. In Python, Lambda function is a one-line function that having no name with so many number of arguments we can pass through this Lambda function, but only containing only one expression in this function. So this lambda function is not having any name we are going to define. That's why this lambda function is also called as anonymous function, and sometimes it may called as unnamed function also. So this is the syntax of the lambda function, like we have to provide the keyword lambda, and then we have to pass the arguments over here, and separating the arguments with a colon we have to give the expression. So this is all about the concept of the lambda function. Let's see how this works. See, let us see an example for lambda function, like we have to give lambda keyword here, lambda space, we have to pass the arguments like x we are passing, it is an argument, and for this x we have to return the square of the x, like here. We have to assign this lambda function to a variable called f, and then we have to call this variable f with a number like 2. So what is the output going to be here? Like we are squaring the number 2, so the output should be 4. See here, the output is 4, and then we can pass so many arguments in this lambda function, but only one expression. So let's pass y comma z here, and let's add these three arguments here, x plus y plus z. We are passing three arguments, but we are providing only one expression here. So see here, we have to pass three numbers here, like 1 comma 2 comma 3. So what this will be returning, see here, it is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So that's it return. And see here guys, we can give the numbers here itself, like x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 and z equal to 3 itself, and we are going to define the values of the arguments there itself. See here, let's run this one. It will create a function lambda here. When you are going to pass this function, the output is returning here like 6. If you want to change these arguments, like you can give here 1 2 3 also, 3 also. See here, the output is not changing. If you want to change any value here, you can change here, like the output is 7. You can change here itself. If you want to change the order, like x equal to 10 comma z equal to 40, see here I am changing the value of the z, and then I am giving y equal to 20. So let's see this works or not. See here, 10 plus 40 plus 20, we can change the positions of the arguments also. And then taking another example here, like using list, how we are going to perform the lambda function. So first of all, we have to make a list. Let's take a L variable, like we are going to create a list here. So in this list we have to pass the lambda functions, like lambda x, that should, the expression should be x power 2, and then we have to get the another lambda function, like x should return x power 3, and then we have a third list element, like lambda x, that should return x power 4. So we created a list with list elements like lambda functions, 3 lambda functions present in this list, where first lambda element will return the lambda x square, and second will be returning x cube, and the third will be returning x power 4. So how we are going to get this one? Let's see if we in the previous method, let's derive this one like L of 2. I think it throws an error. See here, we cannot make this list in the above format. So that's why for this purpose, what we are doing for f is a variable in list L. So we have to print the f of, so f of whatever number you have to square and you have to cube and you have to perform the power of 4, that number should be written here. I am going to take 3 here. So the output should be printed like 3 square 9 and 3 cube 81. In that manner it will return. See here, 3 square 9 and 3 cube 27 and 3 power 4, it will be returning 81. So if you want to make it in a line, in the same line you should want these all numbers, then you can write this like here. We have to put here comma. See here, it will be exist. So if you want to make this like if you need to be very specific, write it that 3 square will be 9 in that format. If you want, you can make this type of arguments there, like you are squaring there, right? So you are squaring 3, that's why 3 power 0, that dot format we are using the printf. I told in the first lecture like print function. There you can see this type of things like how we are going to use this format method. Format 3, that's equals to 1 here. So we have to create a k value here, k equals to 2. Why? Because we are starting with the square, we are giving here k, here k comma 3. In this print you have to make that k plus equals to 1. It is an augmented assignment I am doing there. See here, what's happening? Okay, I have to give another like not here. Here I have to give a bracket. See here. See here, 3 square it will be 9 and 3 cube it will be 27 and 3 power 4 it is 81. So try to reduce the errors coming out, then only you will be a good coder. Like if you don't want this end function here, if you want this as a 1 by 1 sequence, you can make here like 3 square 9 and 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 81. That's type. And coming to the next one, like nested lambda, we have to create lambda function like nested self lambda x that equals to, we have to create another lambda here, that it means that nested lambda you can separate it over like a lambda y you are passing here. So we have to make x plus y here. So we have to assign this all to a variable called let's say it's action equals to, see here we are passing a lambda function into a lambda function. There what we are returning here, we are returning the plus value. So let's pass x here, x has 4. Here x resembles the 4 value here, and we have to pass the y value here. So action of 100 So this output will be here like 104. The x and y should be added like, see here the output is 104. If you want to, if you doesn't want this method, and if you don't want, like there is another type of method is also present here. We have to assign this action variable to another variable called act, and then we have to call the act with the act with the x value like 100 here. So the output should be 200 here. So the output is 200.